Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we are working on a Samsung top-load washing machine. We will be showing you how to remove and replace your noise filter. To begin, we must first access the back of the unit so we can remove the console. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. The tools needed for this repair is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a voltmeter. To remove your console cover, we'll first have to remove the Phillips screws that are going around the perimeter. Once you've done this, start to pry a little bit on the sides. Get a little gap in one of the sides and use a flat blade screwdriver to pop it out and gently pull it off the other side and remove. Next, we'll have to remove the 2 screws that are on the 2 edges holding the console on. Once you have these removed, gently grab each side of the console and roll it forward. Now that we have the top panel removed, we have clear access to our noise filter assembly. The reason why you'd be replacing a noise filter is if you're getting excessive noise, almost like a static noise when your washing machine is running, or just non-stop as long as it's plugged in. You might also have no power going to your control panel. Your power runs in through the power cord to the noise filter and then out to the control board. So first, what you need to do is remove this plastic cap. Use a flat blade screwdriver to press in on the tabs on each side. Slide up, set that aside. Next, unplug your first Molex. Now here's where you want to check to make sure you have 120 volts going to your noise filter. As long as you have 120 volts going to it, next I would recommend testing power going out of the noise filter on the outgoing side. Now if it doesn't have any power going out, this does have an internal fuse, it can sometimes pop. So today we're going to show you how to replace it. To begin, first grab your noise filter, be careful not to touch the terminals, and twist it counterclockwise in order to unscrew it from the frame of the unit. Disconnect and set aside. When installing your new noise filter, simply slide it in place, screw it in clockwise, once it gets to a point where it's pretty tight, you will need these terminals on the right side and the other terminals on the left so that you can plug in the Molex correctly. Plug in your Molex connectors. Move your wiring underneath the designated spot on the cap. Slide down to lock it in. Now we can put back on our top panel. To reattach your console, make sure all of the tabs are inserted into the designated area and roll back. Next, replace the 2 screws on the corners that hold in your console. Now that is reattached, line up your console cover. Sometimes This can be a little bit tricky. I recommend starting by sliding in the top lip on the top and pushing in to clip it in place. Go around the perimeter and reattach the screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.